everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a floor lamp. If you're interested in seeing what it looks like, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So it's easy to put together. I'm just putting them all connecting them all together, screwing them in. So here's the lamp, and it has on the bottom where you could step on it to turn it on, right there. This right there, you could just step on it and you could just turn it on. So this came from Amazon. I'll leave the link if anyone is interested in it. I think it's very pretty. The gold is a very nice gold. I think it's very pretty. So I'm gonna give you an update on how my room looks. These are my new nightstands. I moved my mirrors that were over my bed, put them there, and I put my nightstands are right there. This picture is right there, and then pillows are right there. Stormy's right there, taking a nap. And then that's the other nightstand. There's the lamp. And then over here, I just added the pillows to the chase, and I moved this over here. And I still have to get a mirror for right here.